Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, to me, it still seems very clear that this is a 1, 2, 3. The only question I have is whether the wave 3 is over or not, because the way this is pulling back tells me that this actually still could be part of a wave 3. Eventually, it is going to have to make a big old correction, which would be about the same size as this wave 2 for a wave 4, and then back up for a wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, since the breaker structure we have is just this breaker structure, this is actually still could be in a wave 3. Now, if it's a wave 4, then it potentially is going to stretch out into a much bigger, much more drawn out ABC correction, probably going down to this one of these two Fibonacci levels before it actually does continue the uptrend. If it really is a wave 4, then it's probably on the time scale. It's probably going to last about the same time that the wave 2 lasted. So anyways, let's keep going down to the daily time frame. Either way, on the daily time frame, this for sure looks to me like a downtrend, wave A. This looks like impulsive up, wave A of B. We're probably now in a wave B, ABC of wave B, and eventually it's probably going to go back up for C. I think this is all an ABC of B. I would expect it to go up to maybe to 78%, and then I would think that it would go down and make a wave C, when this would likely all be an ABC correction. Like I said, the only question is this like a wave 3 of wave 4 on the higher time frames, or is this actually the wave 4 of the bigger trend? If it's just a wave 4 of wave 3, it's going to be a much smaller ABC correction. If it's a wave 4 of the bigger trend, then we're in a correction that potentially will last 4, 5, 6 months. So anyways, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is the bigger wave A down, and then this is the A of B. I think we're currently in a wave B of B. So we have an A, B, C of wave B ahead of us, and eventually I would expect it to go up for the C. So A, B, C of B. But internally, inside this wave B, we also have an A, B, C of B. That's why anybody that follows Elliot waves says it's just fractals. It's just trends within trends within trends. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would expect this first move down to be the wave A. Now we have a breaker structure. If you watched my video yesterday, you heard me say that if it does start to break and hold above this, then this downtrend is over. I think what happened is we had a higher low wave 5 right here, which I mentioned last night. So most likely we are now in a correction to this whole move down, which is like a wave B. I would expect some sort of a three-way pattern up to a Fibonacci level, probably more likely like the 50, 61%, maybe something like this. Then if we go up to a Fibonacci level, make a nice impulsive engulfing move down, nice breaker structure, then I would definitely take that as a sort for the bigger wave C. And just keep in mind, this is all an ABC of wave B on the higher time frames, so we're trading inside of a correction on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.